To buy US Tether on Binance, follow the steps seen into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website www.binance.com and log into your account using your email or username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Navigate to the spot trading platform. Once logged in, go to the Trade drop-down menu on the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Classic to access the spot trading platform. Choose US trading pair. In the trading platform, locate the search bar or scroll through the list of available trading pairs. Search for the US trading pair you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy US using US dollars USD, you can search for the US USD trading pair. Place a buy order. Once you've selected the US trading pair, you'll see the trading chart and order book. Below the chart, you will find the buy section. Enter the amount of US you want to buy or the amount of USD you want to spend to buy US. Choose order type. Select the type of order you want to place. There are several order types available, including market order, executes immediately at the current market price. Limit order sets a specific price at which you want to buy US. The order will only be executed if the market reaches that price. Stop limit order combines a stop price and a limit price. When the stop price is reached, a limit order is triggered. Review and confirm. Double-check the details of your order, including the amount, price, and order type. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Place your order. Click on the Buy US or Place Order button to submit your buy order. If you're using a limit or stop limit order, your order will be placed in the order book until it's filled. Monitor your order. Once your order is placed, you can monitor its status in the Open Orders or Order History section of the trading platform. If you placed a market order, it should be executed almost instantly. Check your wallet. After your order is filled, you'll receive the purchased US in your Binance wallet. You can view your US balance by going to the Wallet section and selecting Spot Wallet. It's important to note that cryptocurrency trading involves risks, including market volatility and price fluctuations. Make sure to do your research and understand the risks before buying US or any other cryptocurrency on Binance or any other exchange.